This Wildcat Ridge home might surprise you. This fully remodeled Cape Cod-style home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2215 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. Inside, you'll find wood-look tile floors, plantation shutters throughout, and an open floor plan that makes everyday living feel effortless. The family room features a built-in media center, perfect for relaxing or hosting friends. The kitchen was designed for both cooking and entertaining with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a gas range with warming drawer, and a built-in wine cooler. Upstairs, you will find additional space with a loft and well-separated bedrooms, giving everyone room to spread out. The primary suite feels like its own retreat with double sinks, a soaking tub, a separate shower, and a large walk-in closet. Step outside and you'll see what Arizona living is all about. A beautifully landscaped backyard with Pebble Tec pool, water feature, and a built-in barbecue creates the perfect space for relaxing or entertaining. The location is also incredibly convenient, just minutes from Fireside Elementary, Explorer Middle School, and Pinnacle High School, and close to both the Loop 101 and State Route 51 for easy access around the valley. If you'd like to schedule a showing or learn more, reach out to me, Danielle Cohen, at the Buy Easy RE team at Realty One Group.